Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of Miniature Air Hockey. We have the season finale for you today, as it's the last game of the regular season between the Yeti and the Blizzards. Even though the finals matchup is already clinched between the Bears and the Ice Dragons, these two teams still have a lot to play for, as the Blizzards need a sweep so they can finish the year at 500. The Blizzard can finish today. Oh, and we have a penalty there. It's a handball, and the Yeti missed the shot there. The Blizzards can finish today as high as 3rd place, and they can finish as low as tied for last place. So this is a big series for them. And the Blizzards are quickly up 2-0 here. And they score! They're now up 3-0. And they are on fire here early. Both sides are trading off some shots here. And the Blizzards score, and they're now up 4-0. They look really good. They are poised to win this game. Trying to move to 500 a year. The Yeti have had a miserable season. They're just trying to salvage something good here. And the Yeti score here, and they're good on the boards now, 4-1. They did miss a penalty shot earlier in the game. And the Blizzards score there, and they win 5-1. They look really good today. Now it's time for a meat break. Wait, it's all America. Always has been. 1 out of 10 dentists, Colgate. And we like to thank our sponsors, Wuhan Music and Talib Entertainment, for an awesome season. And we look forward to further partnership with them. Let's get ready to start game number 2, and we are underway here as both sides are already trading off some shots here early. And the Blizzards have another handball here, or should I say hand touch here. And the Yeti this time punch a goal in, and now they have a 1-0 lead here. And the Blizzard come back just firing off at the Yeti. And the Yeti score again, and now 2-0. They look good early here. And the Blizzards score here. It's now a 2-1 game. And that one bounces right out of the goal, and the Blizzards are not happy about that. They want to win this one a lot. You know, both sides trading off some shots here. And the Blizzards touch the puck again. That's the 3rd time today they fouled. And the Yeti missed a foul shot. They've had 2 wide open shots in both games today, and they've missed both of them. And the Blizzards scoring their own goal. It's now 3-1 Yeti. The Yeti might win this one. And the Blizzards come back and score. It's now 3-2. This is anyone's game here. Who's going to win this one? Oh, and that one bounces right out of the goal for the Yeti. A big missed opportunity there. That's their 2nd chance at goal. And they score! And the Yeti are now at 4-2. And if a couple things have gone differently, the Yeti could have already clinched, and the Blizzards score there and make it a 4-3 game. They are still alive in this one. It's only a 1-point game. Who's going to come out on top in this one? Both sides trading off some shots here. The Blizzards fire, and they score! They tie it 4! Man, they are trying to finish off the comeback. The Yeti have had multiple wide open shots miss, and they should have already won this game, but instead it is still alive. It's 4-4 here. Anyone's game here. Next point wins. And the Blizzards score, they win, and they sweep the series. The Blizzards will finish the year at 5-5 and in 3rd place, while the Yeti fall to 1-9 and last place. As you see here, Blizzards won game 1 5-1. Game 2 they won 5-4. And overall in the day, the Blizzard won 10-5. We'd like to thank you for watching this edition of Miniature Air Hockey, and stay tuned as we have a very special video coming up next week. Goodbye.